In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Airbnb. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone or tablet or go to the Airbnb website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one profile or have logged in on a shared device before. After signing in, go to your account section. This is where Airbnb stores your personal settings, preferences, and payment-related options. Inside the account area, look for payments and payouts, then select payment methods. This section is where you can view any existing payment options connected to your account and manage new ones as needed. Next, tap or click Add Payment Method. Airbnb will then show you the payment options available in your region. Depending on where you live, you may see choices like a credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other supported payment methods. Choose the one you want to use. It's a good idea to pick the method you're most likely to use when booking stays, so checkout is faster in the future. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, enter the required payment details. This usually includes the card number or account information, along with billing details such as the name on the payment method and billing address. Be sure to type everything carefully, since even a small mistake can prevent the method from being saved or used successfully later. Before saving, take a moment to review all the information you entered. Check that the payment details are accurate, the billing information matches exactly, and the method you selected is the one you want linked to your Airbnb account. This quick review step can help you avoid issues during booking or payment processing. When everything looks correct, tap or click Save. Your new payment method will then be added to your account and should appear in the Payment Methods section. From there, you'll be able to use it when making reservations or updating your payment preferences in the future. As a final tip, if Airbnb doesn't accept the payment method right away, double check the details you entered and make sure your payment option is supported in your country or region. In many cases, correcting a small entry error is all it takes. And that's how to add a payment method on Airbnb.